everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do something a little different for you today. Pretty much I'm going to show you how we Jamaicans surviving this quarantine. How we can take one little ingredient and make about 50 different things. Today I'm going to be making you plantain porridge. What's that? Stick around and you will see. And of course, on my right, I'm going to be making you some banana fritters. Yes, banana fritters. My plantain. One thing you have to always remember when you're making a plantain porridge, it has to be green plantain. So first off, I'm going to start by chopping my plantain. So most of the old heads Jamaicans would not agree with this technique, but it's okay. Nobody now tell if you mash and crush green plant. For our ingredients today, we have cinnamon sugar, we have whole milk, condensed milk, we have vanilla, and as well a little bit of nutmeg. Nutmeg. Allspice and or freshly cut green plantains. So without further ado, we're gonna start out by adding the green plantains to the milk, and we're just gonna blend that. Then from here, pretty much you just pour your mixture into the pot. So now the thing is, when it comes to porridge, you don't want to make it get thick up. So the best thing to do is just constantly stir it and keep it on a very low fire. All the fire too big. A very low fire and keep stirring. Nobody likes a thick up porridge cooked down for like, I would say, a good 5 minutes or so. You can add the dash of the nutmeg and the allspice, and then you stir so they can't stir no more. Be very generous with the condensed milk, people. Voila! Just like that, we'll make green plantain porridge. So now you can just drizzle a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top. That's it. That's how you make green plantain porridge. Okay, so now we have our banana fritters. I think I'm gonna do it a little different than I usually. What I usually do is mash up the banana with a fork and add my water, banana, sugar, and everything to the flour. But you just add my banana to the water, a little bit of sugar and salt, and then I'm gonna just blend it all together. Add the banana to the water to my blender, and I'm adding sugar right now. Just a little bit of sugar because I'm on a strict diet. The best thing to do is just mix the seed. So now at this point, we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to the pot. I'll make it some small, cute fritters today. Like no big. So as you can see, they're starting to brown. So all you have to do now is just flip them over. I like my fritters on the darker side. I like it too light skinned. And just like that, we have our deliciously made banana fritters. What y'all know about that? So guys, thank you so much for watching me make my banana fritters and my plantain porridge. Don't forget to subscribe for more and give this video a big thumbs up. Enjoy.